What is that?
Basket. Show Daddy your basket.
Show Daddy.
Show Mommy.
Show Mommy. What is this?
Basket.
A basket. What are we going to do with that basket?
Because it's a hat.
Put the Easter egg hunt. What are we going to put inside it?
Basket.
We're going to put eggs in there. Do you know where we're going to go for the Easter egg hunt? He's ready. We're going to go to the park?
She said duckies.
Maybe we'll see turkeys.
Duckies. We said rats.
You say Easter eggs?